Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to brew no sugar, diabetic friendly and anti-cancer Amritsar's famous and renowned Tadka or tempered chai, a recipe to gain weight while sleeping better. And how to make it? Well, poppy seeds or khaskhas or couscous is an important ingredient of the recipe of the day. But before we go on, an introduction to khaskhas or couscous or poppy seeds. There are more than 100 varieties, but Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah, may He bless us all with true knowledge and deep wisdom. Now, nutritional facts of poppy seeds, and you can stop the video and go through these slides. Health benefits of poppy seeds, and as I said, you can stop the video and go through in detail. Culinary uses of poppy seeds, and you can stop the video and go through in detail. Again, culinary uses of poppy oil and petals. Now, side effects and allergies of poppy seeds, and dosage, most important, dosage of poppy oil and poppy seeds, and a weight gain recipe as I promised. Poppy seeds weight gain recipe. And now cut the pods on whom the dark spots have appeared and allow the pods to dry in sunlight or in shade. And when they are dry, after a few weeks, black seeds like this will be seen. They are collected, sent to factories for further processing, which is done by machines. Now, for our second ingredient, rose petals are the second important ingredient of the recipe of the day. Alternatively, if you don't have fresh rose water or gulab jal can be used, and this is the reason why rose is required. Rose petal, to be precise. Now, aag jalao and full tone or full fat milk, add the rose petals and set up a stone mortar if possible and keep a pestle ready too. Add cardamom, alternatively cardamom powder also can be used. Add black peppercorns and pound with the pestle till they are grounded, and what a beautiful fragrance instantly fills the air. Too good. Imagine the fragrance of the chai. Now collect and add to the chai. When done, black tea leaves and processed if possible, and almonds to the mortar, poppy seeds or khaskhas or couscous to the mortar, pound with the pestle till they are well grounded. And what a fragrance again! Beautiful fragrance. Imagine what the chai will be like, and the fragrance of the chai. Imagine. In the meantime, allow the chai to come to a hard rolling boil a couple of times and set aside on a low flame or heat. Remember the golden rule: the more the number of hard rolling boil, the stronger the chai will be. Now reignite the flame or the heat and bring on a brass utensil if possible, or an earthen one. Now add butter or desi ghee and allow to melt. Now add the almond and poppy seed or khaskhas or couscous mix to the melted butter or desi ghee. Stir continuously to avoid the burning of almond and couscous or khaskhas or poppy seed mix. And remember the golden rule: never fry the dry fruits for a long time as they tend to burn out very quickly. Now, when done, add the chai to be tempered or to the tadka. Now a light stir, and what a fragrance that instantly fills the air. Too tempting. And add the cashew nuts to the mortar, pound with the pestle till they are coarsely grounded, and ground well till they are powdered. And when done, add to the chai. There, a light stir and allow the chai to come to a hard rolling boil as per the strength of the chai preferred. And remember the golden rule: the more the number of hard rolling boils, the stronger the chai will be. And look at that beautiful chai and the fragrance. Now remove and pour the Amritsari Tadka or tempered chai from heat and pour to serve. And serve and enjoy the Amritsari Tadka or tempered chai with all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.